Hello. Welcome to our channel. Hi, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a police car. Grab your pencil and let's get started. We start by drawing the car body. Now, we add the wheels. One wheel in the front. And one wheel in the back. Then we close the shape of the car. Add a circle inside each wheel. Draw the rear light. Add the back bumper. Draw the front light. Add the front bumper. Write the word police on the car. P O L I C E.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Add a small side mirror.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo.
Add a small door handle.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
On top of the car, draw the light bar. Make a rectangle.
Skip to
Add a line in the middle.
skip to my loo.
Add small lines around it to show the light. Great job, little artists! It's time to color. Red. The police help protect people and keep the city safe. Blue. The light bar is special for police cars and is used in emergencies. Sky blue. Do you know the emergency number? Yes! 911. Police respond very quickly to help people in danger.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Orange.
The wheels on the bus.
The lights help other cars see the vehicle.
The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Yellow.
Swish, 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 swish.
The headlights help you see the road at night.
Through the town.
Pink.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
Purple.
All through the town.
The bumper protects the car from small bumps. It also helps protect the car while driving. yellow. The car body is the main part of the car that protects the people inside. Red. The mirror helps you see what's behind the car. Green.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes
Orange.
the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes
The tires help the car move and stay stable on the road.
The nurse takes the cow.
Wow,
Takes the cow.
it's starting to look like a real car.
The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Take your time
Takes the dog.
and have fun.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Great job!
Takes the cat.
Your police car looks amazing.
Cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
It's time to take a picture.
This old man, he played one.
Ah, watch out!
911 emergency.
A suspicious red sport car with yellow tires has been reported. See you in the next video. Keep drawing, keep learning with